What's up everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about SuperClean. So guys, I know I've reviewed these products before and I use these products a lot when we're detailing. So what we're going to do is kind of just give you a run through again, but we're going to give you guys a chance to actually try some of these products out for free because we're doing a giveaway. So now I have used each of these products in our services and I have to say I really do love every single one of them. And basically here are the products that we use. So you have the original SuperClean. I'm not really sure how much this one is diluted. I'm thinking it's pretty safe. I'm thinking probably 1 to 10 with the pre-mixed. So this stuff is still tough though. You can use it on your tires, your wheels. You can use it as a APC rinse on all of your lower panels and bumpers. It can get rid of bugs, things like that. You know, with any type of APC or degreaser, just use common sense. Don't let it dry on the surface. Don't let anything dry on the surface unless it's a sealant or a wax or protection. So that's what it is. It's a degreaser. It's an all-purpose cleaner. You can use it on the interior. You can use it on carpets. Yeah, you could use it on leather, but I prefer to use other products that I have on leather. The 3D Super Citrus, which is, you know, a higher alkaline cleaner, but I reserve this for really nasty, dirty, grungy stuff because it is a very strong cleaner. So the original SuperClean in the bottle here, pre-diluted, awesome stuff. If you want to pick up a bottle of this, you can find it anywhere. Now you also have the same formula with the foamer. Now, basically, the head is what makes it foam. So what I actually did is I switched out these heads. So one of them is the foaming head and one of them is the normal head. And you can actually tell which is which because this is the foamer right here, going up and down, because you can see the little end has that little foil. That's what makes it foam. So the trigger head is what makes it foam. It's really the same formula. I haven't found any difference in the formula. It still cleans the same way. But if you want it to cling a little better, so if you want it to cling to tires or wheels or the side of the vehicle or on bugs and let it dwell for a little bit because of the foaming action, then this might be for you. Personally, I don't like the foaming head on it. I just don't. It's just my personal preference. So what I'll do is if I don't want to use the foaming head, I just switch out the nozzles. That's all it is. That's all it takes. Just switch out the nozzles if you don't like it. And vice versa. I mean, since it is the same thing, if you like the foaming head, then just save the trigger and use it on all the other bottles. So it's completely fine to use it that way. Now we have the wheel cleaner. Now this is the all wheel cleaner. However, use caution with this. It is an acid-based cleaner. It's not a crazy acid-based cleaner. Don't worry. Don't, you know, go thinking that it's a corrosive acid cleaner. Any wheel cleaner that's going to be an acid cleaner or an acid-based cleaner is designed to remove heavy baked-on brake dust. If this doesn't remove it, quite likely you're not going to remove that brake dust unless you're going to refinish the wheel. So if you're using an acid-based cleaner, it's kind of the last resort. For really nasty, grungy wheels, then this would be the solution. Now, again, you can put the foaming head on it and make it foam and cling to that wheel if you want it, or put the regular nozzle on it and then you have more of a mist, a fine spray. So whichever you want to choose, switch out the nozzles. Save the nozzles, use them on other bottles, and you'll be golden. So there's your options with the 3 bottles here. Now, we have the Aerosol. I love using the Aerosol because of the ease of use. And the foaming action gets into all the nooks and crannies. It's very precise because of the type of tip that's on it and it foams up. I love to use it on tires. I love to use it on the wheels. Again, you can use it on all of the paint and the side panels down below as an APC rinse. To get off road grime and junk and bugs and things like that for the front bumper. you can use it as an all-around, all-purpose cleaner or degreaser. In your engine bay, it's great because it kind of sits there and dissolves all the junk, and then you can agitate it and rinse it away. It's just such a nice cleaner to use. Now, these products aren't necessarily used primarily for the detailing industry. You know, when you look at the pictures in the back, it's used for a variety of applications. So it can be used in the home, it can be used anywhere. It's just a good all-around, all-purpose cleaner and degreaser. So if you like the control of the aerosol, then definitely pick up a can of that. So this tire is pretty gross. This is the tire that goes to my trailer, and it hasn't been washed in, oh boy, maybe about a month, maybe 2 months. I know, that's shameful. Well, we're going to use SuperClean in the aerosol because I love the aerosol version. It's really nice to use because of the application, and you'll notice I'm doing it dry. I'm not going to rinse the tire down just to show you the cleaning power, and I don't want to dilute the product either. So I'm going to spray it directly onto the tire, and you can already see how much, wow, how much grime it pulls off. I know I probably applied maybe a little bit too much, but that's okay, just to show you its cleaning power. Super, super strong. So you notice that I foamed up my bucket here. I like to do that because I like to have the foam in here. And I'm going to go ahead and just use the cleaning power of the AM Bubbles soap to clean the wheels themselves. And a little bit of the SuperClean is coming down on it as well, so that's fine. But let's use my little scrubby brush for the tires themselves. Wow. Oh, I love that. That's nice. That is nice. All right, let's give it a rinse. All right, so we'll dry this in a second and we'll see how well it looks when it's dry. So I'm going to take a towel to it to kind of quicken up the drying process. Wow, nice. I could probably apply, you know, another cleaning application, another spray, and clean it, but already, man, already you can see the difference. Okay, so really nice. It came out super clean. This stuff is an amazing cleaner. It just works with no problems, no issues. I could probably do a second cleaning, but I think it's fine the way it is. So what are we going to use to dress it? Well, let's see. So you know what we're going to use for this? Some Dr. Beasley's tire conditioner. I've been using this stuff for a couple of jobs now, and I really like it. It is a really nice product. I know it looks like a, I don't know, like a skin cream or cleanser. This stuff is great. The products from Dr. Beasley's, amazing. So let's give it a shake. Basically, you can use this on your exterior trim too, but it's designed for tires. So I just use a nice applicator. It is a little gooey coming out. It's a little runny, so just be careful. Don't overdo it because it'll come out really, really quick. But it applies really easily. Now if you want, you can apply it onto a brush and get into these areas, especially if you have maybe extra knobby tires or tires with a lot of intricate areas that the little applicator is not going to go into. Then you can brush it on. It's a little bit more tedious, but results will pay off. Now, you can also buy it in the gallon form. Now with this, it's nice because you have some options. You can dilute it as much as you want or as little as you want. I typically will mix this up in a spray bottle, a pump spray bottle for my APC and degreasing on the exterior, 1:4. So 1 part SuperClean and then the rest of it water, 3 parts or 4 parts water. So that is going to get you a very strong solution. You can use it full strength if you want. It actually says you can use it as a drain opener. Use it for garbage disposals, ovens, scuff marks, shop floors, things like that, barbecue grills, engine parts, tires, underbody, shop equipment. So yeah, you could use it full strength. It's really, really strong, but you really don't need to. You can do 1:3, 1:4, and make it last longer. So you can make 4 gallons out of this. Very affordable, very cost effective. Now, I don't know about you, but personally, I actually like the smell of SuperClean. I don't really like the smell of Purple Power or any of the other, degreasers that you can buy. SuperClean to me just has a nice fresh scent to it. I know some guys don't like it. They think it smells gross. I don't know, to each their own. Everybody has a different sense of smell when it comes to what products they like or don't like. So I think this stuff smells nice. It's actually nice to use in the interior on the carpets, and I think it leaves the vehicle smelling nice and fresh. That's just me. Let me know down below what you think. Do you like the smell of SuperClean? Do you not like it? Why don't you like it? What does it smell like to you? I don't know. Let me know down below. So guys, here's the giveaway. SuperClean is offering you free products. So we have actually kind of joined together with this video, and they're not paying me to do this. This is not a paid promotion. They did send these products out free for me to use and to demo and to show you guys. But what they're offering is each of these products, excluding the gallon, I just have it here for a prop. You're going to get the all-wheel cleaner. You're going to get the original pre-mixed bottle of SuperClean. You're going to get the foamer bottle. And then you're also going to get a can of the SuperClean Aerosol. So these 4 items, SuperClean is going to ship you. So we're going to have 3 winners. Each winner is going to win all of these. So you will get a package, you will get a box with each of these products in there for free. So what you have to do is subscribe. Let me know down below that you subscribed, that you want these products, and let me know why you want them. Do you want to just try them out? Do you use them anyway? You just want some free products? Let me know, because it's always great getting free stuff to use. Now, if you're a detailer, then getting free products is great because you can use them on your services and you're saving money, but you're also using great products. And then you can buy them locally because you can get the gallon. You can get each of these locally, very easy to get your hands on and very affordable. So this has quickly become my go-to degreaser and APC that I use. And of course, I do use other ones. I have a variety of other APCs and degreasers. It all depends on the vehicle, what I'm doing. Usually this stuff, or LA's Totally Awesome, is going to be my last resort cleaner because it's so strong. I don't always use it right away. Even though these are cheaper cleaners, they are very, very strong. And I use my other all-purpose cleaners that I have designed for detailing first. And then I use these kind of as a last resort. I know, it's kind of weird. Even though these are cheaper products, I can probably use them all the time. But, you know, detailers love to play around with products. We love to have different products for different things. Just a personal choice. But I use SuperClean all the time. I'll be using all these products up and I'll be buying more anyway. And I have to thank SuperClean for sending these products out to me. I love using them. They're amazing products. And thank you for setting up this giveaway as well. So the 3 winners will be chosen in about a week's time. And I will put out a video letting you know which winners, which of you have won these products. Now, what they will also do is when I choose the winners, I will also need your email. That's all I need. I don't need your address or anything else. Simply email me at mirandatetailing@gmail.com when you have won. And basically that's it. I'll use that email from there, obviously. And I will send it to SuperClean. They will handle the shipping, the logistics, all of that, which is really generous because now I don't have to worry about shipping anything anywhere. They will do it. So very generous of SuperClean to do that. So guys, 3 winners. Let me know down below. Please subscribe if you've enjoyed the video, and if you want these products, let me know why you want them, and we'll pick the 3 winners, and then you'll send me your email and go from there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it and who may want some free products. And again, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And if you want other tools and products that we use in our detailing services, then click some of the links down below or click up there to our online store on our website where you can simply click on a ton of those different pictures and it leads you right to Amazon so you can purchase those products easily. So thank you guys for watching and I hope you win. Have a great week.